Hi everyone, welcome to the Database Tech channel. I have created a playlist which covers everything from full database recovery to tablespace data file and control file recovery. We're going to see all the scenarios practically in a rack environment. Module 1, we'll learn how to recover a database when one control file is lost. Although database can function with one control file, we should multiplex the control file as soon as possible in production. So the simple and quick solution is to copy the available control file to the missing location. To simulate this scenario, we need to manually delete one of the control files. So below are the steps you need to follow to recover the lost control file. First, we'll connect to the database and check control file locations. Then shut down the database. As my database is running in rack environment, I'll use srvctl command to stop the database. Once the database is down, we need to remove one of the control files to simulate this. Then we'll start the database to see what errors it shows. Also, you can check alert log file to see the complete error message. Then we'll start the database in NOMOUNT mode. After that, we need to copy the available control file to the missing location. After that, we'll set the control file location, adding the new location of the control file. Then restart the database and we'll validate once database is up and running. At last, we'll start the second instance using the srvctl command. Alright, it's time for the demo. I've connected to my database server. Let me connect to the database instance. Okay, so what is the first thing? We'll check the control file location. As you can see here, I have two control files. One is stored in data disk group and another one is stored in record disk group. Okay, next step is I will shut down the database. Let me clear the screen. So I'm stopping the database now. Okay, my database is stopped. Let me check the status. So database is not running. So my database is down now. I have shut down the database to remove one of the control files from ASM storage. Let me switch to root user to remove one of the control files from disk group. Set the environment as ASM. Okay, I am into ASM CMD prompt. Now check the disk group. Reco. Go to this location and remove the control file. This is the one. Control file is removed. Okay, switch to Oracle. So this step is completed. Now I'll go to next step, start the database and see the error message. Let me change the environment. Log into the database instance. We'll try to start the database. Okay, it failed to start the database and let me check the alert log. Here is my alert log. As you can see here, the control file is not available here in this location. Okay. So database failed to start. Now we'll follow the steps. We'll first shut down the database. Shutting down the database. Then we'll start the database in no mount state. Okay, database is down. Let's start this database in no mount. Let's follow the next step. Okay, we'll now copy the control file to recall this group. Exit from here. Set ASM environment. It's done. Set Oracle environment again. Now let's see what is the next step. We'll update the control file location. As we have already copied the control file to recall this group location, now we are adding this new location with the file name. So what is the next step? We'll shut down the database. Then start the database. Database is started. Let's verify it. So you can see here we have both the control files available. Database is in read write mode. Okay, now I can start my another instance. Check the database status. Database is running on both the nodes. This is how we can restore a lost control file. Please let me know if you have any question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.